Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about 5 apps that you must have in your mobile. So first of all, I would like to say that these all apps are free and you can download it without any rupees, and you can download it from Play Store, and this is a non-sponsored video. So as you can see, the first app that I am going to suggest you is InShot News app. So in this news app, what you will come to know is showing you. You will get all the news in 60 words. Best way to read the news on mobile phone. As you can see, the news will appear in almost 60 words only. You can even read offline, read anytime, anywhere without internet connectivity. You can even read in night mode for effortless night reading. As you can see, it is showing night mode. Then there is an option My Feed for personalized thoughts according to your reading interest. If you like want to know about India, if you want to know about education, if you want to know about Delhi pollution, so each type of news will be appear in the My Feed, and you have to select the news, and type all type of news related to it will come on the selected topic. You can even like and share to let your friends know that the story that you are interested in. If you are interested in science stories, you can even like, and you can even share so that you can friends come to know that which topic do you like the most. Then discover. You can even discover to explore the trending news and topics. There is an option autoplay videos. Information is an entertaining format, so there is if it is based on an what to say, if it is based on an video, so you can even see the video as over here it is shown. There is also an option of photo gallery. View interesting photos from for the last latest event. If it is an about India celebrates Diwali, so you will able to see all the photos how India celebrated Diwali. So all the photos will come in the photo gallery. Now, second app that you must have in your mobile is Current Affairs 2020, and you will get daily updated. And we have selected this app because it is 5 million plus installed, and it is 4.3 rated, and it is very nice app to get updated with the news. So now what is in that app? What is in that app? So the Current Affair has a textbook.com. It is by textbook.com. Is you can see over here. You can get daily quizzes to test your knowledge. If you have read two or three news, or all the news that are coming on the app, after reading the news you will get an option of the quiz time, and you can test your knowledge. Whatever you have read, the question will come from that. You can even save the important news and question. Whatever you want, you can even save it. As you can see, save option is over here. Then it is available in both languages, English and Hindi, but I would suggest you to see it the app in English, because English is the most used language, and as we are even learning English, so you must choose the option of English. Now, third best app is Brainly app, and it is very helpful for your homework. 100 answers, 200 answers will you get. Only just you have to write the question, and many answers you will get on the question. Brainly asks to know, answers to grow. Make homework work for you. World's smartest study group. Million of answers for million students. As I said, 100, 200. What if just you have to ask the question? 100 millions of answers you will get to the question. I would suggest you for homework. You can even suggest, I will suggest you this app, and you can even take a pic of one question. Snap a pic to scan and solve a problem. You can just take a picture of one question and you will get millions of answers to that question. And it uncovered deeper truth with the background explanation. It also explains step by step explanation is there. And it make new discoveries by searching thousands of expert verified answer. This expert first verify the answer, in 10 after you will come to know if you are searching in this way what are cultural, and your results will come. See, as you can see how many results are coming. And you can again and again ask the question and complete your homework. This is the best app that you must have in your mobile for solving the homework. Lend a hand and flex your knowledge by answering the question. You can even answer a question if you know about it. So this will means this feature will flex your knowledge. Next feature of this app is to learn and earn. If you are learning anything, you will get points, ranks, and recognition, and you can even earn that money. Now, the fourth app that I liked is Byju's app. Now let's see what are the features of the Byju's app. You are very interested, no? So now let us see what are the features of Byju's classes. Byju's classes, instant doubt. You have any doubt, it resolve it. Byju's classes, book a free class with the India's best teachers are there. Free access, 50,000 plus video and tests you will get. It is personalized, learn concept through a path that adapts to you. In depth, you will get to know about it. Cover your entire syllabus in a fun and interactive way. Learn from India's best teacher. Even you can give a test with detailed solution and custom-wise analysis. As you can see over here. You can practice made perfect with personalized difficult levels and timely hints. Now the fifth best app and the last app that I would suggest that you must have in your mobile is English Stories, that is offline stories app, and this is the logo for that. So the name of the app is exclusive 1 lakh English Stories offline app. Offline app. Okay, so please download it. It is very interesting. You will get many stories. English stories. Stories make learning exciting. All English story at one place in different category. 10K English stories. 10 lakh English stories are there. English stories. In English stories option, you will get moral stories, Tenali Rama stories, Aladdin, the Arabian Nights, inspirational stories, Tenali Rama, inspirational stories, bedtime stories, many types of stories. 10K plus stories you will get. Educational stories, fairy tales, family stories, then many stories for kids, life stories. If you are going to if you want to read the story of Tani Rama, then introduction will come and many types of, in that also many stories will come, as you can see over here. Then if I am reading a book, so it will appear like this. If I am reading the book that's name is Keep Your Dream, so the book will appear in this form, as you can see. Chapter 1, it will come like this. Chapter 1, chapter 2 like that, and so on. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated with my upcoming video. And if you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to like and share my videos.